These are the three different parts present in the nervous system of our body. Let us discuss about nerve cells and its importance in the animal body. Okay, nerve cells. Nerve cells nothing but the cells present in the nervous tissues or nervous system are called nerve cells. Nerve cells are also called neurons. Nerve cells are also called neurons. So what is the other name of nerve cells? Neurons are also called the structural and functional unit or units of the nervous system. Why? Because nerve cells plays a crucial role in transfer of messages from body parts to brain to body parts, and also it gives a structure to the nervous system. Okay. Nerve cell is the longest living cell in the animal body. Nerve cell is the longest living cell in the animal body. It measures nearly 90 centimeters to 100 centimeters. The size of each nerve cell is 90 to 100 centimeters or 1 meter in length. 1 meter. Okay. Shape of the nerve cell. It is a branched like a tree, elongated, and branched like a tree. So what is the shape of nerve cell? Elongated and branched like a tree. What are the main functions of nerve cells in the animal body? Means they help in function. Nerve cell helps in transferring messages in the animal body. Structure of nerve cell. Structure of nerve cell is as follows. Parts, namely dendrite, cell body, and axon. There are three distinct parts are present in the nerve cell. Okay, namely dendrites, cell body, and axon. This is the structure of nerve cell. So each nerve cell consisting of three distinct parts, namely dendrites, a fine projections arising from the cell body of neuron is called dendrites. Dendrites helps in receiving or transferring messages from cell body to another neuron to cell body. This is called cell body. This is called cell body. Cell body is also called soma, perikaryon, cyton. Okay. So the cytoplasm present in the neuron is called neuroplasm. Neuroplasm is the cytoplasm present in the neuron is called neuroplasm. The cyton possesses a prominent nucleus is present. Around the nucleus there is a granules-like structures called Nissen's granules. What we call Nissen's granules. These Nissen's granules helps in protein synthesis. What is the use of Nissen's granules in the protein synthesis? A long projection arising from cell body is called axon. What we call axon. The axon is lined by a fatty sheath called myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. And if we observe the structure of axon, in between the myelin sheath there are some interruptions. There are some gaps. These gaps are called nodes of Ranvier. What we call nodes of Ranvier. And at lower part of the axon there is a terminal. And these are synaptic knobs. These are the various parts present in the neuron. So each neuron consisting of three distinct parts, namely dendrites, cell body, and axon. Okay. So whatever neuron is present, that neuron plays a crucial role in transferring messages from body parts to brain or nervous system to body parts. Okay. Next, types of nerve cells.
First start.
Types of
First
nerve
start.
cells. Okay. Types. So nerve cells are divided into several types. One of the type is based on the development. One more is based on the functions. Based on the origin. Origin means development, or in Telugu puttu kanta. The development of okay. Based on the origin, nerve cells are divided into two types. One is One is cranial nerves, spinal nerves. Cranial nerves, spinal nerves. Spinal nerves. What do you mean by cranial nerves? Here, cranial means cranium or brain. Cranial means cranium,
or
cranium or brain. So what are cranial nerves? The nerves that arising from brain. The nerves which arises from the brain are called cranial nerves. The nerves that arises, that develops from the brain are called cranial nerves. ఏ న్యూరాన్స్ అయితే బ్రెయిన్ నుంచి లేదా క్రేనియం నుంచి డెవలప్ అవుతాయో వాటిని క్రేనియల్ న్యూరాన్స్ అని అందరు. ఓకే, there are 12 pairs of cranial neurons are present. How many pairs of neurons are present?
12
pairs. Okay, this is about cranial neurons. First next, spinal neurons. Here spinal means spinal cord. So within our body there is a elongated bony structure extended from back of the brain to towards back of the pelvis. That is called spine or backbone. So whatever backbone is present, from the backbone there are some neurons are developed. Those are called spinal neurons. Spinal means spinal cord or backbone. Spinal means spinal cord. Spinal cord. What are spinal neurons? The neurons are the nerves which arises from the spinal cord. Spinal cord are called spinal neurons. There are 31 pairs of spinal neurons are present. So 31 plus 12, how many? 43. 43 pairs of neurons are present in the body of us for various purposes. Okay, that is one type of neurons. Next type is based on the functions. So do all neurons perform same functions? No. So based on the functions that are carried out by neurons in the animal body like you, those neurons are again classified into three types. One is sensory neurons, motor neurons, and mixed neurons. So actually, whatever neurons are present in the animal body, all neurons not performing same function. ఓకే, మానవుని శరీరంలో ఉన్న న్యూరాన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఒకే ఒకే పనిని నిర్వర్తించవు అని. ఓకే, మానవ శరీరంలో లేదా జంతువు శరీరంలో ఉన్న నాడీ కణాలు అవి చేసే పనులను బేస్ చేసుకొని 3 రకాలుగా విభజించారు. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది functions of the neurons are divided into 3 types. What are they? Sensory neurons, motor neurons, mixed neurons. Let us discuss what are sensory, what are motoric, what are mixed neurons. Okay, sensory neurons are also called afferent neurons. Sensory neurons also called afferent neurons. Sensory neuron కు మరొక పేరు afferent neurons. Afferent neurons. Motor neurons are also called efferent neurons. Efferent neurons. Mixed neurons are also called association neurons. Mixed neurons are also called association neurons. Association neurons. Okay, let us discuss what are sensory neurons. Sensory neurons name itself indicate the nerves that carry messages from sense organs to brain. Okay, సెన్సారీ నర్వ్స్ అనేవి సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్ నుంచి మెసేజెస్ తీసుకెళ్తూ ఉంటాయి బ్రెయిన్. ఓకే, ఇన్ అవర్ బాడీ దెర్ ఆర్ 5 డిఫరెంట్ సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్ ఆర్ ప్రెసెంట్. డూ యూ హ్యావ్ సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఐ హోప్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్. ఆమ్ ఐ రైట్? డూ యూ హ్యావ్ సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్? వాట్ ఆర్ దే? There are 5 different sense organs are present, namely the eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue, the skin. There are 5 different. How many bhutas are there in the nature? 5. There are 5 Panchabhutas. Yes or not? ప్రకృతిలో ఎన్ని పంచభూతాలు? అలాగే మానవుని శరీరంలో లేదా జంతువు శరీరంలో 5 రకాల సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్ లేదా జ్ఞానేంద్రియాలు ఉంటాయి. అవి ఏమంటే కళ్ళు, చెవి, ముక్కు, నాలుక, స్కిన్, చర్మం అంటారు. ఓకేనా? What are sensory organs? Sensory neurons. The neurons that carry messages from sense organs to brain or spinal cord are called carry messages from the sense organs to brain. Sense organs to brain are called sensory neurons. Sensory neurons are also called afferent neurons. Okay. The neurons that carry messages from sense organs to brain are called sensory neurons. Sensory neurons are also called
Apparent neuron.
Okay. Next, motor neurons. Motor neurons are also called efferent neurons. What are motor neurons? The neurons that carry messages from brain to body parts or spinal cord to
Body
parts called motor
Motor
neurons. Motor neurons always carry messages from either from the brain or spinal cord to
Body parts.
parts. Okay. Next, mixed neurons. మిశ్రమ నాడులు అంటారు తెలుగులో. మిక్స్డ్ అంటే మిశ్రమ.
శ్రమ కలిసి.
Mixed neurons are also called association neurons. What are those? The neurons that carry messages from sense organs to brain, brain to sense organs are called, our body parts called
Mixed
mixed neurons. So mixed neurons are
Also called
act as a sensory as well as motor. మిక్స్డ్ న్యూరాన్స్ అనేవి సెన్సారీ న్యూరాన్స్ తర్వాత మోటార్ న్యూరాన్స్ గా పనిచేస్తాయి. ద న్యూరాన్స్ విచ్ బిహేవ్ లైక్ సెన్సారీ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ మోటారీ న్యూరాన్స్ కాల్డ్ మిక్స్డ్ న్యూరాన్స్. దీస్ న్యూరాన్స్ ఆర్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ స్పైనల్ కార్డ్. ఈ అసోసియేట్ న్యూరాన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయంటే మన బాడీలో ఉండే
Back side.
స్పైనల్ కార్డుకు రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో యూ నో వెరీ వెల్ స్పైనల్ కార్డ్ ప్లేస్ ఏ క్రూషియల్ రోల్ ఇన్ involuntary activities. The sudden changes takes place in the body are nothing but involuntary. So in involuntary activities, mixed neurons are plays a major role. These are the three different types of neurons present in the animal body based on their functions. What are the functions